How to add a forwarding address on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Gmail, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on settings and click on see all settings. Now on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is go to forwarding and pop IMAP. Click on it and here you will find the forwarding option. Click on add a forwarding address, and now here you can add an forwarding email address easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.